she always gets early to catch the bus. The correct answer is up. Next question is, by the time we arrived, the movie already. The correct answer is had started. Next question is, we need to finish our homework, we can watch TV. The correct answer is before. Next question is, she has been learning French, she moved to Paris. The correct answer is since. Next question is, when I got home, my brother already left. The correct answer is had. Next question is, she has been unemployed 6 months. The correct answer is for. Next question is, they homework when I arrived. The correct answer is were doing. Next question is, she is interested learning new languages. The correct answer is in. Next question is, they moved into their new house the 1st of May. The correct answer is on. Next question is, she is going to the store, she needs to buy some milk. The correct answer is because. Next question is, I think you should more water every day. The correct answer is drink. Next question is, I finished my homework yet. The correct answer is haven't. Next question is, she has never a mistake. The correct answer is made. Next question is, I need to look my brother's keys, he has lost them. The correct answer is for. Next question is, I love music. Do you play violin? The correct answer is the. Next question is, I am very interested learning more about astrophysics. The correct answer is in. Next question is, my sister usually her homework right after dinner. The correct answer is finishes. Next question is, he is very keen learning new languages. The correct answer is on. Next question is, she is really looking forward to her new job next week. The correct answer is starting. Next question is, my sister is really good baking cakes. The correct answer is at. Next question is, I look forward to you next week. The correct answer is meeting. Next question is, she is going vacation next week. The correct answer is on. Next question is, if it tomorrow, we will stay inside. The correct answer is rains. Next question is, he's really good playing the piano. The correct answer is at. Next question is, this is my phone. That one is. The correct answer is yours.